Hi, I'm Chloe, and today I'm in the beautiful Fisher & Paykel Experience Centre with Cassie and Neil. Good morning, how are you?
Hi Chloe, we're really well.
That's good. What are we cooking today?
Today we're going to make you some lovely banana bread.
Amazing. I'm going to let you get underway and I'll pop by for a taste test later.
We'll see you soon. So Neil, our new touchscreen ovens have inbuilt recipes.
They sure do, Cassie. This is our brand new 76 touchscreen ovens. Really simple to use. You just go to cook by recipe. You can use the touchscreen or the dials, or turn the dials, and we'll go all the way until we find our banana bread recipe, which is there. There you go. That's what we want to cook today. There's the list of ingredients, but you want to do something slightly different today?
Slightly different today. Today we're going to make mini loaves.
Okay, so what function do you want to cook?
So if you could change the oven to bake for me, and 180 degrees.
Perfect. Go cook by function, bake. 180 degrees is the preset. We literally press start and away we go. So Cassie, what are our ingredients today?
So our ingredients today are in our new column refrigeration system. So this particular fridge has two different zones. Today we've set the top to refrigeration and the bottom is set to pantry.
And what temperature is the pantry at?
So the pantry is at 12 degrees, which is a lovely consistent temperature, and it's also very dark, which is optimum for what we're doing today.
Perfect. All right, let's get these ingredients out.
So now that we've got all of our ingredients here, Neil, I'm going to get you to melt the coconut oil for me.
Yep, what setting do you want me to put the induction cooktop on?
So we have two settings that are below setting 1. We have a simmer and then we have a low simmer. So today I'll get you to put that on our low simmer.
Sure thing.
So this one's really good for something delicate like coconut oil. We don't want to heat this one too high because it will brown our bananas in our banana loaf.
Okay, fantastic. Well, that's on. What's next?
So we've got our almond milk in our cool drop. So this is another variable temperature product. And we've actually had this one since 2008.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, long time.
So now that we've got all of our ingredients on our bench, we're going to start putting them into the mixer. So this is a 2-stage recipe. So we're going to start with our sugar. So we have our brown sugar here. Neil, could you put that one in the dish drawer for me, please?
Sure thing.
And then I've got some flaxseed here. So this is actually ground flaxseed. So this gives a lovely nutty flavour.
Okay.
So then we've got our banana. So we've got about 4 bananas here. So they've just been mashed nice and lightly. So Neil, that one can go in the dish drawer too. And then we've got a little bit of vanilla here as well. So we're using our vanilla bean paste, nice and easy. So then we're just gonna add our coconut oil, Neil.
All right.
And this is perfectly melted now, look at that.
I'll turn
Turn
that
that one
off.
off for me. And we've got our almond milk as well. One more, Neil. Thank you so much. So Neil, we've got some bicarb here.
Bicarb soda, is that right?
To help us rise our little banana breads because we're using plain flour today, not self-raising. So we have some cinnamon, ground, and then a little bit of salt just to offset the sweetness of the bananas.
Get that out of your way.
Thank you, Neil. So we're gonna add our flour gradually. So I'm gonna start with a very low speed on the mixer, and then we're gonna add our walnuts. So our walnuts can be interchanged for any seed or nuts, and also chocolate is a personal favorite of mine, or berries. Thanks, Neil.
No problem at all.
So give that a mix just to make sure that none of the nuts have sunk into the bottom. So now I'm taking 2 spoons and I'm going to do 2 heaped spoons into our mini loaf pans. All right, and that's it now.
All right, so we're going to put these straight into the oven now. As you can see how there's a red halo now in the oven, so that means the oven's actually hit temperature at 180 degrees C. So very simply open it up. All right, so should we set a timer?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, so you just go to the options and you go to auto off, which means we'll turn it off in 30 minutes. You go, yeah, you can either choose the time or choose the minutes. We'll just go 30 minutes. Really simple, up to 30 minutes. All right, so it's been 30 minutes. Let's have a look at how they turned out. Wow, look at those.
Yum. Oh, they smell amazing.
They do smell amazing. So what do we do now?
So now we're gonna let them cool. So we're gonna give them 10 minutes in the tray, and then we're gonna move them over onto our rack here, and then we're gonna ice them. So we're completely cooled now. So we're gonna make a special one over here for Chloe. So we've got our icing here, our caramel buttercream.
Ooh, I heard my name.
Oh, just in time.
Cassie, that smells so good.
A couple of banana chips here.
Oh, cute.
That's it, that's yours.
That looks fantastic. Well, thank you so much for having us in your beautiful experience centre and showing us your amazing new appliances. And remember to jump on our website for more inspirational recipes like this or follow us on Instagram. We hope to see you soon.